Welcome to Quebec City, where European charm meets North American hospitality. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply love beautiful places, this city has something for everyone. Let's explore what makes Quebec City a must-visit destination. Start your journey in Old Québec, a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with charming streets and historic architecture. Don't miss the Château Frontenac, the city's iconic landmark, where you can take a tour and enjoy panoramic views of the St. Lawrence River. Dive into history at the Citadelle of Québec, a historic fortress with fascinating tours. Enjoy the expansive Plains of Abraham, perfect for a scenic walk or outdoor activities. For more history, the Musée de la Civilisation offers interactive exhibits on Quebec's heritage. Don't miss the Notre-Dame de Québec Basilica, a stunning Gothic cathedral and a true masterpiece of religious architecture. Take in panoramic views from Terrasse Dufferin, or enjoy unique city vistas with a ferry ride to Lévis. Experience the Ice Hôtel, a remarkable structure crafted entirely from ice, with guided tours showcasing stunning ice sculptures. Nature lovers will adore Parc de la Chute-Montmorency, featuring majestic waterfalls and exciting outdoor activities like hiking and ziplining. Quebec City's culinary scene is not to be missed. From hearty stews to fresh seafood, the city offers a diverse array of flavors that cater to every palate. There's something for every taste. Imagine savoring a rich, creamy poutine or indulging in a fresh seafood platter that brings the ocean to your table. Don't forget to check the description for a full list of recommended restaurants. If you're visiting Quebec City in winter, the city transforms into a magical wonderland. The Quebec Winter Carnival is a must-see, featuring ice sculptures and lively parades. This annual event is one of the largest and most famous winter festivals in the world, offering a unique blend of culture, art, and entertainment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel insights.